everyone, today we are going to look at P6 Foundation Mathematics Revision Set H, Paper 1. Round off 5,488 to the nearest hundred. So 5,488, when we round off to the nearest hundred, is either 5,400 or 5,500. So we know that 88 is nearer to 5,500. So the answer is option number 4, 5,500. Question 2. 109,638 is 100,000 plus how many plus 600 plus 30 plus 8. So I know that this is the digit that is missing. So I know this is in the thousands place. So option number 1. A rectangle has an area of 30 cm square. It has a breadth of 5 cm. So let's look at this. We have a rectangle. The area is 30. My length is 5 cm. What is my breadth is 5 cm. What is my length? So we know that length times breadth equals to 30. So 6 cm times 5 cm will give you 30 cm square. So the length is 6 cm. Question 4. The figure ABCD is made of 25 identical squares. What fraction of the figure is not shaded? So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 out of the 25 squares. So my answer would be 2/5 because I divide by 5. So answer is option number 3. In the figure, PQRS is a square. So I know a square means the side is the same. So if this is 4, this is 4 cm, this is 4 cm, this is 4 cm. ST is 7 cm, RT is 6 cm. QRT is a straight line, this is a straight line. What is the area of the shaded triangle? So shaded triangle, to find area of shaded triangle, first I know that this is my right angle. So it's half times base times height. So half, my base is 4 and my height is 6. So the answer is 12 cm square. Option number 1. Question number 6. How long is the bus trip from the MRT station to the shopping center? So I know depart from MRT station is 9 a.m. arrive 9:15, so it takes 15 minutes. Depart 9:45, arrive 10, it also takes 15 minutes. Depart 10:30, arrive 10:45, also takes 15 minutes. So I know that the bus trip takes 15 minutes. Option number 2. Jane is waiting for the shuttle bus at the shopping center at 9:50. So she's waiting at the shopping center. So is departing from the shopping center. She waits at 9:50 a.m. This bus depart already when she is there, so she cannot take this bus. So which of the following is the earliest time she can leave the shopping center? So she has to wait for the bus that departs at 10:15. Option number 2. Which of the following letters has parallel lines? Parallel lines means two lines that do not meet. So I know that it is option number 2, letter H. Question 9. What is the difference between the number of pupils who choose Scrabble and Risk? So I know the number of pupils who choose Scrabble is 24 boys and 32 girls. So a total of 56. And Risk is 12 boys and 35 girls, a total of 47. So I take 56 minus 47, and my answer is 9. Question 10. What percentage of the girls chose Uno? So Uno is 40 girls. I want to find the percentage. So it's 40 out of 160, which is the total, times 100. 100%. So 100 divided by 4, which is 25%. Option number 1. 11. Jing Xian ran 3 times round the field on the first day of her training. Each day she ran 2 more rounds than the day before. So first day, she ran 3 rounds. Second day, she ran 3 rounds plus 2. Third day, she ran 3 rounds plus 2 plus 2. I know that every day she adds 2 more rounds. So now I want to find, on the last day of training, she ran 15 rounds. So I can add on. Fourth day will be 3 plus 2 plus 2. Fifth day, 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Sixth day, 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2. And seventh day will be 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Now, another way of doing this, I can draw my table, which means I have the number of days. On the first day, she ran 3 rounds, right? Because there is no addition, I put 3. Second day, I have 3, which is constant, plus 2 more. 1 times 2, right? So I know that there are 5. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Third day, plus 2 times 2. There are 2 of it, so that it will be 7. Fourth day, so I add this on. Every time I add another 2. Do you see that? Okay, fifth day, constant is 4 times 2 will be 11. Sixth day, 5 times 2, so it's 13. Seventh day, 6 times 2, which is 15. So I want to find 15 rounds. It would be on the 7th day. Option number 4. Jave has $120. He has 6 $5 notes. So 6 $5 note is 6 times 5 is 30. 2 $10 note, which is 2 times 10 is 20. The rest are $2 notes. So first I must take 120 minus 30 minus 20, which gives me $70. So I need to take the 70. The rest are $2 note. I take 70 divide by $2 note. I will get 35 $2 notes. Question 13. There are 15 boys and 25 girls in a class. 3/8 of them wear spectacles. So 3/8 of them means they are boys and girls. I know this is a total of 40 pupils, 40 children. So I know 8 unit is 40. 1 unit is 40 divided by 8, which is 5. 3/8 of them wear spectacles. How many do not wear spectacles? So I know together there are 8 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 3 are wear spectacles. 5 unit do not wear spectacle. So 5 unit will be 5 times 5, which is 25 children. Option number 4. Question 14. The pie chart shows the number of marbles in a jar. 1/4 of the marbles are red. So I know the red is 1/4. Half of the marbles are blue and green. So these 2 is half. Right? So I know this is 1/4 is 13. So half will be 13 times 2, which is 26. How do I get this? Half is the same as 2/4. So 1/4 is 13, 2/4 will be 26. So I want to find how many marbles are grey. I take 26 minus 18 and I would get answer is 8. Option number 2. Question 15. What is the perimeter of rectangle A? Okay, rectangle A is made up of 8 identical squares. Its area is 32 cm square. So let's look at this. I know if I look at this, area is 32. Here I know there are 2 units, 1 unit, 2 units, 2 units, and there are 4 units. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit. And so I know that 2 units times, this is your breadth, this is the length. 2 units times 4 units will give you 8 unit square, right? Which is 32 cm square. So 1 unit square will be 32 divided by 8 will give me 4 cm square. So 4 cm square is 1 unit times 1 unit. So how do I get 4? What times what will give me 4? I know that 1 times 1 cannot be 4. So 2 times 2. 2 cm times 2 cm will give me 4 cm. So I know 1 unit is 2 cm. So 2 unit times 2 unit will be 4 cm. 4 unit, 1 unit is 2 cm. 4 unit will be 8 cm. 4 cm times 8 cm will give me 32 cm square. So I know this is 4 cm. This is 8 cm. How do I find the perimeter of rectangle A? So perimeter of rectangle A is 4 cm plus 8 cm times 2. Length plus breadth times 2, which is 12 times 2, 24 cm. Option number 3. Now I need to find area of rectangle B. So to find area of rectangle B, I know each one is 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is 8 cm. This will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 cm. Do you know how I get 2? Remember, each unit is 2 cm. So this is 2, this is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. And this is 2, 4, 6, 8. Right? So I know I want to find the area of rectangle B is 12 cm times 8 cm. Answer is 96 cm square. Option number 3. Let's look at this. We need to find who has thrice is 3 times as many cars as Ali. I know Ali is 4, so 3 times 4. 3 times 4 will be 12. Who has 12? The answer is Jake. Jake has 12. Question 18. How many more cars did Ramu have than Tan? So let's look for Tan. We know Tan has 6 cars. Ramu would have 14. 16, half of 14 and 16 will be 15. So it's 15 minus 6. Answer is 9. Question 19. How many lines will there be in pattern 60? So let's look at the way. Pattern 1 is 2 stars. The number of lines, so we know there's 1, 2, 3. 1 times 2, 1 times 2 plus 1. Okay. Next, pattern 2. 4 stars. 2 times 2. How do I get 2? This is 1, 2. 1, 2 plus 1. Right? So 2 times 2 plus 1. Or you can add this 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So this is plus this 1 is constant. This is constant. Okay, this is 1 times 2. Pattern 3. This is constant. So you have 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair. Right? So 3 times 2 plus 1. So how to find pattern 60? So pattern 3 is 3 times 2. Pattern 2 is 2 times 2. So pattern 60. 60 times 2 plus 1. So it's 121. Option number 2. There are 141 lines in a pattern. Which pattern is that? So I know just now we find that we want to find back. We are working backwards. Okay, so how I do this? I can take 7 plus 1. So I minus the 1. So 7 minus 1, you get 6. Divide by times 2. So you divide by 2. Equals to pattern 3. The same goes for this. 5 plus 1. So I minus 1. So 5 minus 1 gives you 4. Divide by 2. 4 divided by 2 gives you 2. Pattern 2. So now I take 141. So 141 minus 1, I get 140. 140 divided by 2, answer is 70. So option number 1. Write the following in figures. 912, so I put 912. 5008. 126 pupils from Fajar School took part in Singapore Youth Festival. Half of them were from P4, 1/3 from P5, and the rest from P6. So this is the whole, which is 126 pupils, one whole. Half are boys, P4, half, 1/3 P5, and the rest are P6. So I take one whole minus half minus 1/3. I get 6, 6 minus 3, 6 minus 2, 6, 1, 6. So this is my whole. So 6 unit, 126. 1 unit is 21. How many P6 pupils? Is 1, 6. So it's only 1 unit. So answer is 21. Question 23. David had 4 boxes of pen. Each box had 14 pens. How many pens were there altogether? I take 14 times 4. I will get 4 times 4, 16. 1 times 4, 4 plus 1, 56. I know it's 56. And 56 pens altogether. David sold 1/8 of the pen. So 8 unit is my 56. 1 unit is 56 divided by 6. Sorry, divided by 8 is 7. How many pens had he left? He sold 1/8. He left 7 unit. 178, right? So 7 times 7 gives you 49. So he has 49 pens left. Question 25. Sumi started reading at 10:17, stopped reading at 12:10 p.m. How long did she read? So we draw our 10:17, 11:17, that would be 1 hour. 11:17, I can also do this. 11:17 to, let's say this is 12:17. 12:17, this is another hour, right? But I work backwards. It's 12, so I minus 5 minutes, which is 12, 12. 17 minus 12 is 5 minutes. So it's 1 hour and 55 minutes. Dave used 2 centimeter cubes to make the solid block. So I know each one is 2, 2, 2. Each block is 8 cm cube. One block, 8 cm cube. How do I get this? It's 2 times 2 times 2. So now I look at the last row. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is 4. 4, 4, 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. This row I have 3 times 4, which is 12. This row I have 2 times 4, 8. This row I have 4 and 4, 2 times 4, which is 8. So a total of 44. So I take 44 times 8. Each block is 8 cm cube. I will get 352. Question 27. A shopkeeper had 5.92 kilogram of flour. He sold 4,500. So first I need to change this to gram. 5.92 kilogram to change to gram, I must multiply by 1,000. Shift my decimal place, I get 5,920 minus 4,500, and my answer would be 1,420. So 1,420 gram. Question 28. Figure shows isosceles triangle, so I know this and this is the same. Angle ABC is 110. This is a straight line, and angle ACD is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. So first I need to find what is this angle. Isosceles triangle, I know that this is my head, these two are my legs, so they are the same. So 180 degree minus 110 divided by 2, which is 70 divided by 2, answer is 35 degree. So this is 35, this is also 35. So next find angle BCD. BCD is 180 minus 90 minus 35. The answer is 55 degree. Last question, 30. What is the price of the bag after adding 7% GST? GST, we know that the price goes up. This is the original price. 100% is $40. GST, 7%. Paid price would be 107%, right? Because you plus 7%. So I want to find what is the price of the bag. So I know 100% is 40, 1%, 40 divided by 100, for 10, 107% would be 410 times 107, and it would be $42.80. Answer is $42.80.